In the bustling market of accounting software, new solutions emerge constantly, each promising to simplify financial management for businesses. Amidst the well-known giants like QuickBooks and Xero, you'll find a variety of other contenders, one of which is Kashoo. For those exploring their accounting software options, a natural question arises. Is Kashoo popular and widely used? As an accounting software expert, I can provide a clear perspective. Kashoo is popular and widely used within its specific niche, primarily small businesses, freelancers, and independent entrepreneurs who prioritize ease of use and affordability. However, it does not command the same broad market share or widespread recognition as industry leaders like Intuit QuickBooks or Xero. Let's delve into what this means and why Kashoo has found its particular segment of popularity. Kashoo's core strengths, why users choose it. Kashoo has carved out its space in the market by focusing on simplicity and accessibility. Its primary appeal lies in ease of use. This is consistently highlighted as Kashoo's strongest feature. The software is designed to be intuitive, even for users with little to no prior accounting or bookkeeping experience. Its dashboard provides a clear overview of financial data, making daily tasks straightforward. This makes it a popular choice for solopreneurs, consultants, and very small businesses where the owner often wears multiple hats, including the bookkeepers. Affordability. Compared to some of the more feature-rich and expansive accounting software solutions, Kashoo offers competitive pricing plans. This cost-effectiveness is a significant draw for startups and small businesses operating on tight budgets, allowing them to access essential accounting features without a hefty recurring expense. Cloud-based accessibility. Being a cloud-based platform, Kashoo allows users to access their financial data anytime, anywhere, from any device with an internet connection. This flexibility is crucial for modern businesses that value mobility and remote work, enabling users to manage their finances on the go via web browsers or mobile apps. Essential features. While it may not have every single advanced feature found in enterprise-level software, Kashoo covers the core accounting necessities for small businesses. This includes invoicing and payments, with online payment processing integration, expense tracking and receipt capture, bank reconciliation, basic financial reporting, income statement, balance sheet, general ledger, multi-currency support, which is a notable advantage for small businesses dealing with international clients. Strong customer support. Many user reviews praise Kashoo's customer support, citing responsiveness and helpfulness through multiple channels like phone, email, and live chat. This is a crucial factor for small business owners who may need direct assistance when navigating financial tasks. Unlimited users. Often some of Kashoo's plans offer unlimited users, which can be a significant benefit for small teams that need multiple individuals, e.g., owner, bookkeeper, accountant, to access the financial records without incurring extra per-user costs. Popularity versus market dominance, the landscape. When we talk about popularity in the software world, it's important to distinguish between being well-regarded by a segment of users and dominating the overall market. Market share. In terms of overall market share, Kashoo is a smaller player when compared to the behemoths. Companies like Intuit, with QuickBooks Online and desktop versions, hold a significant majority of the accounting software market, especially in North America. Xero also has a substantial global footprint, particularly strong in regions like Australia, New Zealand, and the UK, and is growing rapidly in North America. Sage, particularly Sage 50 and other products, also holds considerable market share, especially in the UK and other European countries. Data from various analytics firms often places Kashoo's market share in the low single digits globally, typically below 1%. User base. While the exact number of Kashoo subscribers isn't always publicly disclosed, reports indicate that it has subscribers in over 180 countries. This shows a global reach, but the total number of users is still considerably smaller than the millions of subscribers claimed by QuickBooks or Xero. So, while Kashoo might not be the most popular in terms of sheer market penetration, it is definitely popular among its target audience. Its users often rave about its simplicity and affordability as a refreshing alternative to more complex or expensive solutions. Who is Kashoo best suited for? Kashoo is particularly well suited for freelancers and independent contractors who need a straightforward way to invoice, track expenses, and manage basic bookkeeping. Service-based small businesses that don't have complex inventory needs or extensive payroll requirements. Startups looking for an affordable and easy-to-learn accounting solution to get their finances in order. Small businesses with non-accountant owners, where the owner prefers to handle bookkeeping themselves and wants a user-friendly interface. Businesses that value strong customer support, as Kashoo is frequently praised for its helpful support team. It might not be the ideal fit for larger small businesses, those with complex inventory management, extensive payroll needs, as it requires integration with a separate payroll service like SurePayroll, or businesses that require highly specialized or industry-specific accounting features.